Hey guys, we're here in Homestead, Florida for another solar panel installation of 17 kilowatts, so follow me. So here we are. Right now our guys are bringing up the last few panels to finish this job. With over 50 panels being installed, this homeowner will now become energy independent. See you guys on the next project.